Alright, let's do this. Open CapCut and start a new project. Set your aspect ratio to whatever you like. Then add a green background. I have already set this up. Now add a new text layer and type your main text. Go to the font menu, choose this font and change the color to white. Scale it up a little so it fills the frame. Then export the video. Go back to the project, double tap the text and this time type a single letter O. Change it to red and export again. Create a new project with a black background. Import both exported videos. Freeze the first frame of each clip so you get two still images. Delete the videos, convert the image to overlays and remove the green background using the background remover. Resize the images like this. Duplicate the O layer, then place the main text layer between two O layers. Select the top O layer, apply this mask and rotate it to 90 degrees. Now go to the first frame of both O layers and add a keyframe. Move a few frames forwards and add another keyframe. On the second keyframe, drag both O layers to this position and apply this graph for a smoother motion. Move forward a few more frames. Add another keyframe and drag them to the previous position. Repeat this move one more time to build the animation rhythm. Next, cut the masked O layer at this point. Select the other O layer, go a few frames forward, add a keyframe and resize it so it matches the main text perfectly. To give the animation a cinematic punch, add a flash effect to the project and apply it to all layers from this point. And that's the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.